see when I open up my Notion is my Quirky dashboard. So this is where I like to keep all of my pages, and I like everything to branch off from here. So if I click on any of the pages, I can always go straight back to my Quirky dashboard. I've categorized all my pages into 4 different categories. I've got business, personal, lists, and databases. I just think this is the best way to organize the pages I have. My business has everything for content creation, video creation, finances, all that stuff. My personal is stuff like quotes, video games, plants, any other things I'm interested in. If I want to create a cleaning one, that's not really anything that's important, but it's important to me. And my lists are pretty much things that are lists. So I've got a reading list, a bouquet list, which is basically my bucket list of things I want to do. And I wanted to have a weekly reset. And then my databases, these are the 2 main databases I use to organize all of my to-dos. So my tasks is all my tasks, and my content database is things like if it's a YouTube video, an Instagram post, Twitter, Discord. I put it under this because there's many to-dos for a YouTube video. And tasks are easy to do, but content is a longer process.